you sit there too?
Ladies and gentlemen, we would love to welcome you to Loch Forest College tonight to this green caffeine event. We are the Sons of Pitches and we're going to be doing a set for you, so we hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I woke up early in my hotel room, waiting for my alarm to go. Thinking about the things I gotta do. Damn, my mind was gonna blow. Forget out about what's ahead. Maybe I'm just staying cause it's no fun to be the one going out of my head. So I turn to myself again. Now I'm going strong like sorrow. The doctor says I'm doing fine. Forget out about what's ahead of me. Didn't have to stay cause it's no fun to be the one going out of my head. So I turn to myself again. Look for something you can't find. Giving up, you'll lose your mind. There's always something in your way. What can I say? Gonna have a good day. Just when I thought I couldn't lose, I realized this is the only thing I knew. What's ahead of me? I'll just stay. Cause it's no fun to be the one going out in my head. So I tell it to myself, tell it to myself, tell it to myself again. You're looking for something you can't find. You're giving up, you'll lose your life. There's always something in our way.